Good evening, everyone. This is a video walkthrough of our application system, the HealthStat Daily. So first, what we're going to do is to sign up. But before the sign up button, so here is the sign up button here. So let's click it. And let's sign up. So here is comes the username part. So let's say I'm going to input here. I will input here the user name that already in the system or registered in the system. Let's create an account. Boom! There's an error and username already taken. So we're gonna clear that button. Now I'm gonna highlight again the email verification again. So let's say enter like Casella, for example. So when I do that, when I create an account, boom, it will enter an error because it's an invalid email like Casella. There's no Gmail, Yahoo, or something like that. So let's create an account. So in this part, this is the most important part because this is related to the government personnel that will go into you. So let's say I currently have in the system the government personnel of the La Carlota Barangay province of Negros. So I will go start that for them. So province Negros up to them and barangay or let's say a unit. So there's here and the 16 and that put here what you're allergic from. So let's say if none, that's okay. It will sign up you directly. But if you have, let's say admin peanuts, so remember that because that's we're going to check if it's right output in our profile page. So let's here sign up. Boom. So we will redirect to the login page. So let's log in the result. So the username there we put is Jose123 and the password is Andre123. Boom, here's it. Here is the step of that result. The profile here, you put peanut, soy, and fish. Kilogram, oh my god, I mistook the height. It's supposed to be centimeters, but sorry about that. We'll change that later and go here to the database. I'm going to highlight this. So let's refresh that. Refresh that. Refresh another. Yes. There you go. There's 6 users. Currently in the system. This hash. For security purposes, I use hashing in my username and password so that me as a admin, I cannot see the password of those individuals that have registered in this account. So for security purposes. So here the personal information. So here's the record part where there's a predefined illnesses to the developers encoded here. So on top of my head, I always test the fever here, and there's a lot of things here. Actually, here's the complete set of the illnesses. Here's this part, the complete set of the illnesses that have or the users catered. The users can input. So the developers catered for the users. So here's let's click this column. Oh, there. You can again this template is also predefined for the users to input so that they will not take notes or something or type something about the fever. That's directly just clicking buttons for that. So here is let's say results of fever today of 39, and he measured it using a thermometer in armpit side. So submit that information and submit operation successfully here. So we can see it in the history. Yes, history log and the dashboard as well. The recommendation for result and the today is a fever. Yes, you can put additional. As I promised, I nothing, so say nothing. So there, again, so my scale, so say no pain scale of 6 and right side or upper department or results. So again, submit it. For successful, if you're not there, there's two and left for my applications as well. So first for the medical part, I managed only after 3 here. I only put 3 here, nothing, because don't space here. But this will show unlimited how many records you have in a day. So let's say you here, there you put 39 centimeter and armpit and other one is 6 and abdominal pain. Yeah, so that. So you can edit as well, but the edit side, you can only edit current date. For this purpose is to avoid alterations for the users. So let's say let's edit, and let's edit, let's say the fever of result become worse. So I mean worse by an hour on that day. So let's say increase 1, say 40. Then can measure na what's articulate. Okay lang, then see this for another month. So let's submit it and do it, and there you go, 40. So complete. So that's how it works in edit. So in medication, it's linking the doctor's part. So let's go back to the doctor part next time. So again, profile side. So this, I think I walked through the member side functionalities. We'll go back to the medication part later. So let's go to sign up button here. Successfully signed out. So I have a doctor here, and I name it user 2. Again, the password is John3, I think. Again, oh yeah, it's correct. So currently, our doctor's name here, and currently the doctor, my test doctor has 3 patients already. This is my testing part. So let's say that's what the patient is. I could invite result as my new patient for the medication part, highlighting part. So let's say we can put result here. We can search it and search the result, or we can put let's say the next result and assign naman. Here, still it can cover in first name and last name. That's the searching part of my database. So let's say add result, and result is there na again. Yes, it's there na agad. So that's how fast it is. So I can go back there and this I'm going to show you how it works. So the doctor can see the records of the members that they added. So first, let's say my tests here, they have many because I tested. This is my main test users all throughout my study. So let's go back to and there's the result. And the doctor can view it, and he can add here. This part is the medication part. So let's say kapoy can again. Go okay. Let's say let's submit that for the fever at the patient is not nga comments as for personal doctor. So let's try to submit that, and view again. There you go. There you go. So hopefully you can see that in our when we log into the host account. So let's highlight the patient. Let's go around here. We can see I think I told me their email. So yeah, phone. Yes, that works. So here, maka-view man ta. Kasi how the filter side here, I can filter. So let's say kung nagkakating month, so I multiply, magdulat na lang kay 4 or January and monthly. So that's like 12, 11 I think, 11. So meron ulit 12. Yes, that's 12. The filter works fine. So let's say exact date subong. So what's the date subong is 15. There, that my record ako kanina. May result, I think the only record of result. So this the filtering work by month, year, and subject. That same goes to the user. So let's say 3. So what to do and after the again. So there's a filtering also here, and there month. Yes, that works also. But unfortunately, on there you cannot toggle it much because there's only one user lang here. The result na part in one record there is on part here. So let's say so let's say exact date 15. Let's say kailan 15 na. So 12, 24. Yes, there you go. Go back kay 15, 12, 24. So there you go. Ito na yung the doctor is that's the name of my brother. So hindi na kapoy ka na again. That's the message that we sent the result. The result, that's what we sent using the account of the doctor and bucket. So I think that's that for the 2 users, the member and the doctor part. So let's proceed to the other or last member or the last user. I mean the government personnel. So the government personnel, Jack, I think. There you go. So here I've tested this is my test again. My test. So here, the correspondence here is the correspondence here defines the persons or the members that have the same location of the government personnel and the member. So let's say barangay, Lagine, province, and city is the same with the government personnel. So his account is registered here or connected in the government officials account. So here I have 4 members here. The first one is my name here. So I have 4 members, all with the same province, same city, same barangay. So that's what happens. So 4 of them in the same or in respondent or living in this area. So that's the LGO covers. Unfortunately, I said the total patients. Ah, this is supposed to be total respondents. We're sorry about that. So next, yeah. Next time, I'm gonna highlight mo yun. So again, filtering works also here. Let's say this update. Let's say subong adlaw, I think there's fever and Rizal. Pag fever ang akong kagi ng akong na test subjects. So let's say 12, 15, 12 before. Na, baka fever, lock respondents ang akong na test, which is ang this part here, may test na, there's the record of him having a fever, na sa case, plus ang yan yung sa Rizal, may isa man sa fever, so buwa ka case ng fever, so bunga, now, pinagin na, so, kumbaga mo na siya pag summarize ang data. So here's the abnormal pain, yan ang result, that's the result part, pag na, we had adon na po, so that's how I filtered dyan. So, and that's my profile mo siya. And that's that, or I think that's the end of our walkthrough. I highlighted the 3 users that I've currently, or I've added into my system. So, kapoy, sign out. Peace.